Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style. Today we are going to talk about monthly stock market update and we will figure out is it bullish trend, what's going on with the stock market world on a monthly time frame. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel, I really appreciate it. Let's move to trading view. Trading view, let's start all USA companies, market cap based on the market cap and daily performance. Let's see daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. Daily, it's a lot of red, a lot of green based on the technologies, finance, all green. Nvidia was on daily was negative, but generally all green, right? Let's see weekly what's going on. Let's see weekly performance, all green also, all positive, very nice for all USA companies. Monthly, like half and half, we can split it like line like this one, right? It will be technology green, bank, finance green, everything else, consumer, retail, like health technology, all red. Only high tech green and finance green on monthly. Let's see quarterly. Quarterly, it's a mixed mode, yeah, like 50-50, 50 green, 50 red, right? That's what we observe on a quarterly time frame. Okay, now let's move to charts and we will do review. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I don't use monthly or weekly time frame for my trading. Just monitor the market direction and performance of the market and just for analytical purposes, but for swing trading I'm using 4 hours or daily time frame for entry and exit position. Let me briefly mention about myself. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages. White line, it's a SMA 200, yellow line, it's a SMA EMA 20, red line it's SMA 10, and green line it's SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator, MACD indicator, green line bullish, red line bearish, Heikanaichi bars, green bars bullish, red bars bearish, yellow line RSI indicator. That's all, very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved, but if you use indicators, if you trust indicators, indicators do not have emotions, just follow the trend and you will be successful. Okay, let's start quickly from monthly, right? We want monthly. Let's see monthly. Monthly bullish crossover, MA5. Let's start weekly. Weekly and see. Weekly bullish crossover, bullish trend on Qs. Qs the most powerful index. Bullish trend on all indicators. RSI yellow bullish. RSI in very overbought territory. Qs very overbought. Monthly time frame. Bullish crossover, bullish trend. It tested level, August level, April level 2022. Bullish trend on all indicators on monthly time frame. And let's see quarterly. Quarterly, it's a buy signal. Quarterly, yeah, MA5 still below 10. Two very strong quarters. Yeah, this year is very powerful, right? For Qs, it was very negative last year, 4 quarters negative, but it bounced from 20. It bounced from 20. It never closed below 20. It bounced from 20, and now like first quarter was very positive, second quarter is not completed yet, we still 1 month to go, but very bullish, but all other indicators still negative. Let's move to SPX. Let's start SPX. Similar story. It was previous year was 3 quarters negative, red, and after that it was 3 quarters positive. Now it's a third quarter positive. It's not completed. Like I said, it's 1 month to go. We'll see, will it be bullish or it will be bearish. All other indicators still bearish, still sell signal, but Qs already gave us buy signal, you see. use just this quarter it gave us buy signal. It's kind of far from 20, but it's already buy. Okay, quarterly Q's kind of positive, but with bearish signal on all other indicators. Let's move to monthly. Monthly for SPX, for S&P 500, buy signal, bullish signal. It's the last bar above all moving averages. It is positive, bullish trend. MACD did bullish crossover, green. Heikin green, RSI did bullish crossover. Positive, bullish trend on monthly time frame for SPX, for S&P 500. And weekly it is bullish also. RSI that just touched overbought territory. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones weekly. Nice green week. Before that it was negative trend below 20, but this week it just did nice bull run. All other indicators kind of flat at zero line. Nice bull run. MA5 still below 10. On weekly time frame it's still neutral. On monthly time frame Dow Jones also neutral. Look at it. For since November 2022 it's still at the May 20 level. It doesn't move anywhere. It's kind of neutral and negative on all other indicators. Still kind of flat. On monthly, let's see quarterly. Quarterly same, it was third quarter last year, fourth quarter last year. It did move very powerful bull run. It was first quarter this year. It was in decision mode. Second quarter this year it just started green, not so powerful, and still 1 month to go. That 1 month to go can change direction to the both ways. Kind of flat. Bearish signal on MACD and bearish signal on Heikin on quarterly time frame for Dow Jones. IWM, let's start quarterly. IWM for last 4 quarters, you see it was sold off below 20 and now it's dancing around 20. The last bar about 20, MACD still red bearish, Heikin still red bearish, RSI below Heikin. Still kind of sell signal, still weak, still around 20. Still 20, didn't move. You see, like we saw it like Qs did huge bull run, SPY did some run, IWM didn't do any runs. It's kind of bear flag. It just sold off, created bear, created flag, and it will continue to revisit maybe this level, 2022 level. That's what it wants to create. Still in the bearish position, Qs. Not Qs, IWM. Monthly, it is last month, it's below 20, it's still bearish. Actually, it's this month. Nice bull run this month, right? June just started as a huge run. But last 4 months, it was very negative. 4 months below 20. On all moving averages below 20, it's a bearish territory, bearish negative territory. MACD below zero line, red. Heikin red, bearish territory on monthly time frame. Weekly time frame, nice bull run, bull week, bullish crossover, RSI, all indicators bullish, but still in the bearish territory below 200, below zero line on all indicators. That's what we observe for IWM, for Russell 2000. Let's move to Apple. Apple weekly. Nice bull run, right? From January 2023. Bull run. Just was like 3-4 red bars, but generally just all green bars. Straight green bull run. RSI very overbought and very overbought position for Apple on weekly time frame. Monthly time frame, you see it's a 6 months in a row since New Year. Bullish trend from bearish territory. It jumped and ran, and it touched almost previous high 180. Previous high was 183. Now it's around 180. 181. Just it was 182 actually yesterday, last Friday, and yeah, it's like $1 to go. It can do it on Monday, can touch Monday and create a new recent high, can push to new recent high. Actually, it will be historical high, not recent high. It will be historical high. Okay, monthly it is bullish, and quarterly Apple. It is still bullish. You see, it was trying to get bearish. MA5 was ready. It's kind of ready for bearish crossover. It's still at MA20, at MA10, 5 at MA10, still at MA10. Last bar, huge disconnection from 20. Similar disconnection was here, right? What they did sell off. Still disconnected from 20. MACD, kind of flat. It's bullish, but it wants to have correction. Heikanachi was red, still red in the bearish territory. No, it's not in the bearish, in the bullish territory, but still red on quarterly time frame. Let's move Tesla. Tesla quarterly sell signal still below 5 and 10, still kind of bearish. Still bearish, MACD bearish, RSI bearish, all indicators bearish on quarterly time frame. But this bar is this quarter, right? This quarter, it's kind of, so far bar is bullish. Monthly time frame, buy signal, bullish crossover, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, still below 20, but buy signal, bullish crossover, MACD is still red, bearish below zero line. Heikanachi change color to green. Kind of Tesla on monthly time frame positive. It's getting positive on all indicators. Weekly time frame, Tesla 3 weeks in a row it was positive. MA5 ready for bullish crossover. 20 just still above 200 at 200 level. MACD green below zero line. RSI Heikanachi positive on weekly time frame. It is bullish. Bullish, it tested February 2023 level. That's all right for Tesla weekly bullish. Let's see Baba weekly, right? Baba very weak. It's a last bar below all moving averages, below 200, below 20. It is bearish territory. MACD red below zero line, bearish territory. Heikanachi red below zero line, and RSI negative. Baba is weak on the weekly time frame. On monthly time frame, Baba was kind of positive. It was in the bearish territory below 20, but it was kind of positive. Bars was about 5 and 10. Now all bars below all moving averages, it is bearish territory. MACD green positive, Heikanachi green positive, RSI below Heikanachi negative territory. They all indicators in negative territory. You see MACD below zero line. And let's see quarterly. Baba quarterly was quarterly, not enough data. Not enough data for quarterly for Baba. Let's move to Nvidia. Nvidia quarterly. Buy signal quarterly last 2 quarters. So powerful, so powerful. You see it was 3 quarters down. It did stopped and at MA20. 20 is a strong support, and it did bounce from this 20. Last bar, last quarter, it's not over yet at all. That's all right. April, it's still 1 month to go. Still 1 month to go. You see this white box, it's a huge gap, 20% gap. Bullish signal on all indicators. Even look at that, even on the quarterly time frame, huge bearish divergence on RSI. Price action is uptrend, right? Price action is uptrend from this point to this point. Bearish divergence here, bearish divergence on histogram, on MACD histogram, bearish divergences on multiple indicators on quarterly time frame. Let's see monthly. Monthly, same story. Bullish crossover, bearish divergences Nvidia wants to have correction, bearish divergences. Look at it, MACD on the RSI, bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergences multiple on different time frames. Weekly, it is still bullish. Bullish trend, RSI in the overbought territory. Let's at the monthly, it was monthly. Let's see weekly. Weekly, it is bullish trend, RSI very overbought territory. That's all. Let's move to DXY, USA dollar weekly time frame. It is bullish on weekly time frame. Last month moved about 20. Positive bullish crossover, but territory is still bearish. Monthly time frame, it is still bearish on monthly time frame. It was dancing around 20. Still bearish on monthly time frame. Quarterly, it is still bullish. Quarterly, it is still bullish, below MA5, but it's still about 20. Bullish trend, Heikanaichi red. That's all. That's all from my end. Let's do summary. Like I mentioned, Qs, the most powerful, the most strongest index. Like Apple, the strongest equity. It is going to do new high, maybe next week. Apple, the strongest equity on USA market. And very positive on monthly time frame for Qs. S&P 500 also positive, not so strong like Qs, also positive. Bullish signal, it just did bullish crossover. It is positive bullish trend. Dow Jones on monthly time frame, it is kind of neutral, it's kind of flat for last 6 months. Since November, it's still dancing around 20 line, MA20 line. It didn't move anywhere. Price action is kind of flat. And IWM, the weakest index on all time frames, right? Still bars and below all moving averages. It is still bearish territory. Still indicators red, still bearish. Russell 2000, the weakest index. What we can expect? We can expect rotation. Technology, because technology was very overbought, they will be sold and money will relocate to Russell 2000, especially like Treasury. Elon mentioned that Treasury wants to get a cash because it was they are short with the cash. They decided to create a T-bill for $1 trillion. It means they will provide, I don't know, 5% interest, 5% interest for a treasury bill, for T-bill. And it means a lot of investors, they are like mutual funds, they want to get some safety place because they know it will be recession, it will be correction. And now they will relocate money maybe from overbought stocks like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, like 10 of them. Relocate money from 10 of them to T-bills. To T-bills to get 5% plus interest and no minus, like market can drop and can bring minus 20-30%. That will be kind of money rotation in the stock market. They will take from equities and the money will move to T-bills. 1 trillion just for June. Just for June month, they will start Monday. It will be, they just put on the market on Monday 123 billion for T-bills, but generally in the June they are planning to sell for 1 trillion. We'll see what will happen next. Maybe in July they will do another trillion, in August another trillion. We'll see. We never know what politicians can do for us. That's all. Thank you so much, and let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please review it and Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.